Public works professionals are so important in all of our lives, and today we are celebrating their skills with a little friendly competition at the APWA National Equipment Rodeo. Come on, let's take a look. All right, I hear you're the guy to ask to find out more about this fun event.
Yeah.
So take me through it. What's going on?
So this is an annual competition that we have nationwide. And these are operators from all over the country.
How many are here?
There's 80 this year.
Wow.
It's one of our largest competitions. And they do specific courses that each city makes.
So you've got some Chicago buildings here.
Yes, and we got back there, we have actually our transit system. So yes, we make that all individual for every city. It's never the same. And we made ours unique to Chicago.
And you've got everybody getting ready here for their competition.
Yes.
Friendly competition? Are they seriously competitive?
They're competitive, but it's friendly.
So it's a fun competition, but it's also serious work that they do.
Yes.
Day to day.
Yes.
Talk to me a little bit about that, the importance of public works.
So in their day-to-day activities, they're using these machines day and night. It's not just 8 hours a day. It's 24/7, 365 days a year.
All right, well, you need to go kick this thing off,
All right, yes.
Thank you, good luck.
All right, great, thanks.
Engine started. We are underway for the largest American Public Works rodeo in the country. What's going on right here?
What he'll do is take his backhoe with that spring. He'll go in at O'Hare, get on the blue line, follow the blue line around to the green line, then jump on the orange line and come out at Midway.
Wow. Okay, so how can you judge what he's about to do?
So that spring on the end of the bucket that you can see over there, if it touches the sides, there's a light here that will go off if it's a quick touch. If it's a longer touch, the light will blink and there's a buzzer that will also beep.
All right, kind of like the game of Operation.
Yes, exactly like Operation.
Inspired by Operation for the road operations that you guys do. It's important work.
It's very sensitive, and this just, shows you your skill, because when he's going through here, you'll see he has to curl his bucket out, in, go up and around, and so you're doing multiple movements at once. But there's a lot of little adjustments and fine moving parts here. See?
Uh-oh. Beep.
Yeah, what these guys do is very important to everybody. Without public works, fire can't get to a fire if the roads aren't plowed, if trees are down, they don't have water, they can't put out the fire. Public works is a big part of a community.
Important stuff, and I love the competition.
Yes.
Friendly competition.
Yes, it should be great.
All right, let the competition begin.